In this video, I will show you how to use the advanced search function of Adobe Acrobat Reader, particularly the proximity search. In order to set this up, you will have to first create a folder and give it a name and drop the file or the files into that folder. Proximity search has the options to search through one file or different files in the same folder at the same time, which is really cool. Once you have that, you close the folder, you open up your document, which is right here. You go to the search field, which is in the top here, find text or tools, you click on it, and then you click on the three dots. And down here you have the advanced search option. You click on that and a new pane pops up somewhere on the screen. Here it's next to the window, and here you have several options to choose from. The first thing you will have to do for proximity search is to show more options. Click on this link and you will have more options available. In order to have the proximity search active, you will have first to look in. You go to browse for location and a window pops up, and then you go to the folder you created, in my case PDF search for Acrobat, and you select that folder and you hit choose. Now that folder shows up here, PDF search for Acrobat. You go down here to the different options, you make sure proximity is checked. And now when you put two words in here, like violet and supply, in case you're looking for decrees or readings that have those two words in it, and you hit search, which we don't do, it will find those two words in the document within a certain proximity. Yet by default, that proximity is too large. It's about 200 words. In order to change that, you will have to go into Acrobat Reader settings. Click on Acrobat Reader. It's in the Mac on the top left. And then you go to Preferences. The Preferences, when you click on that, pops up a little window that looks like this. Once you have that open, you scroll down to the search options. You click here on search, and you have here different options to choose from. Here it says range of words for proximity searches, and I think the official one was a couple of hundred. That this number means that the words you give in the search field, which is here, violet and supply, will have a maximum proximity or distance of 200 words. Of course, that will be an entire document. In order to have it in the same paragraph or even sentence, you would have to make that number smaller. It could be 20, 50, 3, 5, as you like. Whatever number you put in here will be remembered by the software. You have to make sure you click OK once you have a number, and that preference window disappears. Now, put two words in the search field. Make sure in return results containing that the option match all the words is checked. Not the exact word phrase and not any of the words, but all the words if you want proximity. And then down here, the proximity has to be checked too. Now it will search for these two words in all the documents in that specific folder assigned when I hit search. Here you find the results, and it always, every entry is one word of the selected words. But when you click on the next one, you see the next word, for instance, violet flame and supply, and the proximity has to be within 20 words in our case. Now, if you have more documents in that folder, they will all show up here with a drop-down option. Every book is its own drop-down. So in case you have a reading collection in that folder, it will find the same keywords in both documents at the same time, which is really handy. So much for proximity. It is really a very wonderful feature when you have several words to search from, and Adobe Acrobat allows you to do this.